A 42-year-old construction worker was buried alive when loose soil caved in on him near Kunnur on Saturday. According to police, Ravi Kumar and few others were involved in some digging work at a construction site in Upper Kunnur area when the loose soil suddenly caved in. Ravi Kumar and one more person were trapped. While his colleague managed to come out, Ravi Kumar could not. Ravi Kumar was pulled out after some time, but he was dead by then, police said.